Day 2. We got nothing yesterday. We're back out today again. I was just getting John a wee rundown there how to work this video camera. A nice morning, no rain. Or dry.
Sunshine.
The new. Sun's not out, but we don't really want the sun to come out. Pretty cloudy. You got overcast. I think we're the first ones on a walk today, not seen anybody yet. So what's the chance of the day, John? What do you think?
Better yesterday, it's dry, it's settled.
We saw 3 fish yesterday at the water. But we'll give it another go. I'll keep you updated on this wee blog later on. Bye.